There are 8 villages going 9. So the 9th village is just about to rise and you will help build that village today.
Gusto ko rin na maituloy yung nasimulan ngayon and also to help yung ating advocacy sa Synchrony.
I believe in giving back. So with all the blessings that we're receiving from Synchrony, I think it's just right to give back to other people.
Sharing my knowledge bilang dati akong teacher. So gusto kong balikan yung kakayanan kong magturo sa mga bata.
It's good na you get to build connection with people here and hoping na siguro in the future they may apply also in Synchrony. So it's a good start for them.